if you want to send the same email to different addresses or different people, then you'll first have to prepare your addresses and then send it. You can either use your desktop application or web application, or use your mobile Gmail application. Now once you open the Gmail app or website, then you need to go to the compose button here to start a new email. Now if you go to the to section, you have a space here to write the addresses of the recipients, and to this far end you have CC and BCC. Now if you use CC, it means you are creating a carbon copy. So if I say I'm sending this email to this first person here, for instance, and I have a second person here, um, like that, if I do this, all this person will notice that the second person was also received the same email address that is the same as CC. So if I tap CC here and add, it's like I'm copying another person. So the first person, the second person, and every other person in the email list will know that there were other people who received the same email. But if I want to send a blind copy, it means that person A or person 1 will not notice that the same email was sent to person B. Then I'll tap on the BCC option right here. So I'll say, for instance, I sent to a different email address. So if I'm sending this email to this person and that person here, then that's how I do it. Now once I'm done with that, then I just need to draft my subject, that is a bit catchy and short, and then I'll compose my email and send it. So if I just say test email here, and also create a test email, subject test email. Now the points to pick from here is that if you are sending one email to a number of people and you want them to know that the other person will send the email, use the CC option. If you want to send a blind copy that all the recipients do not know that there was another person who received the email, then use the BCC option.